Most EVs provide a preconditioning function that can be used to prepare your vehicle for a journey. Typically, this is by warming or cooling the inside of the car, or defrosting your windscreen in a winter's day. To do this, we do need to tell the zappi that you are going to do a preconditioning cycle. If you don't do this, the preconditioning will come directly from your battery and not from the grid, so you will lose range. So on your Myenergi product, on your zappi, we're going to go into Menu, Charge Settings, Preconditioning. Within preconditioning, you're going to see if it's on or off. Of course, we want it to be turned on. And we need to set how much energy that you're happy to be taking from the grid or your household battery to meet the demand for the car. So increase that in the kilowatt hours for however much you need. This is set by yourself. We have no control over how much power your car may want. This depends car to car. The bigger the battery, the more power you're going to need. If the batteries are cold, they need to get warmed up.